Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm still in Ho Chi Minh City and it's my second night here for work, and I have checked into the Sheraton Hotel in Saigon. So I am very lucky to get upgraded to an executive suite, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So backing up a little bit, when I walk in, on my left hand side there's a powder room. So very quickly to show you the powder room, because I'm attracted towards the spacious living room. So I like bright hotel, and this hotel in the beginning I think it's an older hotel, so I'm a little bit hesitant, but I am now pretty pleasantly surprised with the executive suite. You know, the decor, everything, the maintenance. It's quite nice, and the space and everything. So of course, this is the big living room area, and then there's the work desk over there, and then also a big TV as well. So you can see I also get the river view, although a little blocked by the Times Square, but I can still see the river view here. And then look at this, it's really prep for work. So a lot of the outlet, and then walking in, you can see they have the Nespresso coffee machine with the capsules, complimentary water, the kettle, the tea and sugar, and then mini bar on this side, which is chargeable. Okay, so, and then coming right along into the bedroom. So very nice king bed with the makeup table. Again, thick mattress, nice linen, pillow, sustainability, complimentary water. And then with a similar view over here, and a good size TV. Let's check out what this is. Okay. Interesting. Normally these are put in the bathroom. But anyway, then walking through is a walk-in closet area where the luggage can be placed, with the slippers, and then the safe deposit box for the laundry, and the bathrobes and iron board. And then walking back here is the bathroom with the bathtub, the rain shower, a single sink, and this is the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Oops. Okay, as I said, you can see, you know, it's a little bit old school in terms of using, you know, this kind of marble for the bathroom, and then the carpet and everything. So that's what I was wearing in the beginning, but when you look at the bigger scheme, look at their living room, bedroom, and everything, I think is pretty much kept up to a good standard. especially it's a good location here at the Sheraton Saigon Hotel. So as a platinum member of Marriott Bonvoy, I got access to the club lounge, which I had already done the afternoon tea check while waiting for the room. We'll go down for the cocktail as well as breakfast tomorrow morning. I think I will opt out of the club lounge for breakfast, but go to the buffet breakfast to check out the breakfast there. So anyway, so continue to follow me and I will show you my short but sweet experience at the Sheraton Hotel Saigon. Hello, good morning, Ho Chi Minh City. After a cloudy day yesterday, today the sun is coming out, so it's going to be a sunny and hot day. But I will be leaving Ho Chi Minh City today, flying a domestic flight to Nha Trang and continue my business trip. Anyway, I'm now still at the Sheraton Hotel Saigon. I will be going down for breakfast and I will have club lounge access. As it is a bigger hotel, I do not want to be in the big general restaurant, so I will probably go to the club lounge for breakfast. So just follow me and see what that's like. So this is the view I'm waking up to. And I will show you more on my domestic flight to Nha Trang, and then from Nha Trang, the hotel that I stay, and the fun things that I do there in addition to the business trip. So just follow me.